Hi, I'm Agnes and welcome to my garden. Today we're going to talk about propagating plants by cuttings. I've had a plant that I've had to cut back here. This is a dragonfruit cactus, and unfortunately it was growing into the door to my fence. So I've cut that short and I'm going to be repotting and propagating one of the cuttings. So I've set up this potting table on my back patio. It's got everything we need here. This is the cutting from the dragon fruit. It is a climbing cactus, so you have to be a little bit careful of the stickers, which are just on these three sides. This already has some roots on it because dragon fruit cactus is a climbing type of cactus. So I've got here a pot that I'm going to transfer it into. I've already used masking tape and a pen to write what it is and the date when I've potted it. And I've made this little container out of an ordinary soda cup from a fast food joint that I've turned into a pot using skills that I demoed in a previous video. On the bottom of this I've put some gravel. That's for drainage to make sure that these roots don't get swamped as they're getting established. And what I have here is rooting compound. Now I don't technically need it on something that already has a couple of roots growing, but it doesn't hurt to add it, and rooting compound is really one of the best money-saving purchases you can make. So I'm going to dip my cactus into this water and dip just the end of it into rooting compound so that it covers it like a little powder there, and I set this into the container. Now I'm going to put on some gloves for this. I have some compost here that I took out of my compost bin. Adding that for a nice nutritious meal, and along with the compost, a little bit of potting soil. Smooth that out. Now I have some gravel, which I need in my dry climate to reduce evaporation once I put water in here. I won't be able to get every single one of these roots in beneath the soil line, but there's one there, and between that and the potting soil, this should be good. Dragon fruit are fairly easy to propagate, and now add in some water until it runs out the bottom, and we are all good. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you'll enjoy some others.